Hi viewers, very good morning. Today I am going to demonstrate how to set up the Q2A in local machine. Uh, for installing Q2A locally, we need Apache Server, MySQL, Q2A files. There are six steps. I just go through step by step. Step one is download XAMPP server from its official website and install it. I just show what is the official website of XAMPP. You just type XAMPP download for Windows in the Google. The first link, which is apachefriends.org. This is the official website. You can download it XAMPP from here. You can download any version, latest version also you can download. For time saving, I have already downloaded the exam already in my downloads file, and I have installed it also. Um, but please check whether it is running or not. Only installing is not the matter, but whether we need to cross verify whether it is running or not. We just check by localhost. Localhost, if it is giving something, then it is installed, but here it is giving the site can't be reached, then we need to restart the we need to start the services. Just I will search whether Sam, it is showing from the web, not in my local files. Don't worry, we can manually open the control file. We just go to the files, c drive. If we install, we will get that exam folder. In the exam folder, there will be one file that start, stop, and control. We just take the control, and from here we need to start the Apache server and MySQL server. First, start the Apache server, then MySQL. Yes, whether it is working or not, just we will go to the browser once again and localhost. It's working. Example is Apache MariaDB PHP. Example for Apache server and MariaDB and PHP servers, etc. And from here we will go. If we are seeing this page means server is running. So just go to the php This is the php Our database will be stored here. The predefined databases are MySQL information schema. Exactly these these are the predefined by default databases we have. We just verify. So we have downloaded the exam server from its official website and installed it, and check the server is running or not. We have checked and started the services. Next step is download QTA from its official website. We just go to the just type that Q2A install. Um, docs.q question to answer.org. This is the official website of Q2A. Just you click on this, and here you can detailedly read how to install or that. Otherwise, you can just simply ignore and download the latest version of Q2A. This is the if you see this, this is the link of latest version from download. I have already downloaded it. It is already I have downloaded. Now what we need to do? First we need to copy this zip file into our exam htdocs folder. This is the htdocs folder. From this folder, we will access our latest. We will access our files in the browser. So I have copied it here and just extract it here. Okay, just wait for few seconds. So it is extracted. So there are files in this. For simplicity, I just rename it as QA and move this folder to here and remove this. This is empty folder now. So I will delete. Why I have done this Q2A? Because I just directly go in the localhost/QA for accessing that folder. So that folder will queue like this with me. Otherwise, if there is a long name, we need to type it. Also. For the simplicity, I just renamed it. You just open QA. There is one main file that is called QA config example. We just rename it to the QA config. I mean, just delete this example and enter. I just check whether so it is now accessible, but it is saying that could not establish database connection. Please check username, password, and hostname in the config file. Okay, but we will go again and see here what is the username and password this is given. So it is saying that my SQL username, my SQL password, and my SQL database. We by default we can give the root one. Otherwise, we just create one more user in our MySQL. We just go here on the home page and user accounts. I just go to create one Q2A user. Password is also I will put for demo. Just not the demo. Privileges, you can select whatever privileges what you want, but I will select that check all so that there is no issue. Just go. So I have created, just go to user accounts. I have created a Q2A user and password is, yes, I have put the password, but password is demo. Just I will go to input this. My username is Q2A and password I have put is demo. And we need to create one database. So just creating database is just new. And what is the database you want? Just I will put Q2A. So just uh, I will put that uh, testing. So I just create a testing database. Just create it. So database has been with name the testing has been created, but there is no tables at all and no columns. If there is no table, there is no columns. So then just we go to here and for simply we just input the name testing. So I just save it and again I will be go to the here and so this is the welcome page. Welcome page from question to answer. It's time to set up your database. This is the initial database setup. When you click so setup database including user management. So here it is asking for super administration administrator. Just I will go super super administrator name is super and password is also super123. So you can give anything what you want that is I just give my email, set up the super administrator. Okay. Just I will save it in my just I am showing the password. This is all things thing is testing server only, so there is no issue. Just I so congratulations, site is ready. You just go to the so this is how our site will be look like and so we can customize as per our requirement. For this reason, I will open this and I will localhost to it. So if I want to register as a user, I can register from here. Otherwise, super with the super, I can log out log in from here. Just I will go to the register here and username username test one. Password is also test to one at 123. Email test one at yahmail.com in case. So here my profile has been created hello test one. You may edit your profile registered user test name username. So from here you can do that all those things. Otherwise you can simply ask a question. Yeah, user, this is my first question. to know what this right. You can create any tags. Tag. Just ask the question. So this is the in the questions there is one question. That is what you have posted. In the answer, if you want, you can answer it self answer it. All these settings will be available in this super admin. That what is the URL structure? I mean, what is the this URL structure and site language? What you can English UK use or site themes. Basic themes are there. Site themes for mobile. Site direction left to right or right to left, and tests and categories. And in the user, you can just uh, all these things are there. You just explore it. This is the main field. Allow user with post change their username. If I click, so if you see this here, in the test one, I can edit my test, my can username. If I remove this tag and save it, and then just I will check. See, now you are not able to edit your username. All this you just we just need to explore it, how it is going, how the layout will be there, how the posting, and there is how what is the minimum length of the question and maximum length, and we just have point systems also we have, how to how many points one will get by posting the answer, by posting the comment, by liking the comment. All these things we can define. Thank you very much. And is there anything else? We just seen that place the Q2A files which is downloaded in htdocs folder in XAMPP, and creation of user accounts. Okay, local Q2A and setup Q2A. So that's it, guys. Thank you.